Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode from your beloved channel Linguamid. Here in this episode we analyze a small conversation, a small dialogue between a father and his daughter from a famous series, Egyptian series that's called Abu al-Banat. And in this small conversation we will know some important keywords and phrases that are used in daily Egyptian. So let's go. So here we have a small conversation between a father and his daughter has been abroad for a long time, but she is of Egyptian origin, and she is trying to go back to Egypt after many years and exploring Egyptian and culture. Okay, so he's trying to help her with this exploration and also give her some information about Egypt, the most famous meals, famous drinks, and one of these are the Hommos El Shaam, the meal that they are eating, some kind of hummus, and it has a juice, and they put lemon and chili, pepper, so it's spicy and it's lovely, and Egyptians love to eat this meal in winter because it's offered hot. So we will hear this conversation together and we will try to analyze it and know the most important vocabulary and expressions. So let's go.
ما تجيب شطة لو سمحت، جيب لنا شطة وليمون الله يخليك.
ما تجيب لنا شطة يا اوكي. ما تجيب لنا. So تجيب or ما تجيب شطة يا. تجيب is from the verb يجيب in Egyptian, which means to bring. Okay, to bring something. يجيب. Okay, to bring something. So تجيب here is a conjugation with you. So أنت تجيب, so you bring. So ما تجيب. So can you bring? Or how about bringing, okay? And then he continued the sentence and make it clearer and said ما تجيب لنا شطة وليمون لو سمحت. Or لو سمحت ما تجيب لنا شطة وليمون الله يخليك. شطة here it means chili, paprika, chili. And lemon it's lemon, of course. So lemon, شطة, chili and lemon. لو سمحت, of course you know it from our previous lessons, which is please. And here we have Allah يخليك, which is very important, and it means if you may do something. So Allah يخليك actually literally it means that I pray that Allah gives you long life. Okay, bring you long life or let you live longer. Okay, so Allah يخليك, it comes with the meaning of please, but it has more emphasis on politeness. So when you say, can you bring me something, Allah يخليك, please bring me something. Okay, I pray to God that you have long life, bring me something. So ما تجيب لنا شطة وليمون لو سمحت, ولو سمحت تجيب لنا شطة وليمون الله يخليك. So please bring us chili and pepper, and please extra emphasis on please, or I pray to God that you have long life. أزود لك شطة. Okay, يزود as a verb it means to add something. Okay, so to add يزود. Okay, from it we have زائد plus. So واحد زائد واحد بتساوي 2, 1 plus 1 equals 2. So يزود is to add. Okay, to add. زود لنا or أزود لك. So أزود لك here أزود, so I add. أزود لك it means I add to you. لكي in modern Arabic, which is لك in Egyptian. أزود لك, so I add to you. And when I talk to female, okay, when I talk to female I said أزود لك. When I talk to a male I say أزود لك. Okay, so أزود لك شطة. أزود لك شطة. Do you want that I add more chili to you or give you more chili?
أزود لك شطة؟ لا سبايسي. لا مش عايزة. بتحبيش سبايسي؟ لا. عشان تحبي.
ما بتحبيش spicy, okay, or ما بتحبيهوش spicy, you don't like it spicy, or ما بتحبيش spicy. Here spicy is English, and we use it in Egyptian a lot. So you may hear it also within Arabic, within Egyptian Arabic you say spicy, okay, as a widlik spicy, okay, or as a widlik, or you like it spicy, انت بتحبه spicy. And we say also حراق, we say also مشطشط. These are synonyms, okay. So spicy, like the English word. So Here you don't like it spicy. انت ما بتحبيهوش او ما بتحبيش السبايسي. You don't like it. يحب is to like or to love. يحب. ما بتحبيش. أنا بحب. I like. Okay. انت بتحبي. You like. So this is a conjugation with انت with you. انت female. So you like. انت بتحبي. انت ما بتحبيش. This is the negation. Or انت مش بتحبي. Another form of negation that we use in Egyptian. So انت ما بتحبيش spicy. You don't like it spicy.
سبايسي. لا مش عايزة.
بتحبيش سبايسي؟
لا لا.
عشان تحطي. طب احط لك ليمون؟
طب احط لك ليمون. Here we have ليمون again which is lemon. And we have أحط لك. أحط لك is from the verb يحط in Egyptian which means to put. Okay, it's like يضع in modern Arabic. يحط. Okay, so I put the glass on the table for example, on the desk. So أنا بحط الكوباية على المكتب. Okay, so I put the glass on the desk. So أحط لك. أحط لك ليمون. Do you want that I put lemon to your drink? I put lemon to your drink. أحط لك ليمون. And here he said also tub. And tub here is a filling word. And if you want to know more about filling words and about many other components in Egyptian, don't forget to sign up for my free course. You'll find the link in the description box and also in the first comment, and you will know more, so basic background about Egyptian and also opportunity to get more knowledge about spoken Egyptian throughout my courses. Okay, so here let's go back. So يحط is to put. أحط لك. Here أحط لك ليمون, to put lemon or add lemon to your juice.
عشان تحطي. طب احط لك ليمون؟
لا ثانك يو بجد هو حلو قوي.
She is saying thank you بجد هو حلو قوي. So she is mixing English and Arabic. Thank you. It is of course thank you, and بجد here it means seriously or really. Okay, بجد. So when I say بجد seriously, okay, so thank you بجد usually we say thanks a lot, seriously thanks a lot. هو حلو قوي, it's very sweet. هو حلو. حلو is sweet, beautiful, lovely, and قوي is very. So هو حلو قوي, it's very lovely, I like it.
بجد هو حلو قوي.
ماشي. شطة خليها بالسبايسي.
Of course, the last phrase, he is kidding with his daughter, and he said, okay, الشطة بتخليها spicy. Okay, so the chili or the paprika makes it spicy, makes it really hot and spicy, and then he makes blur, so as it is very spicy way of kidding. So this is how we have a small conversation in Egyptian, and we learned many important keywords like tab, lamoon, shatta. We also learned some important verbs like أحط, يحط, to put something. And it's easy to follow up with these kind of verbs when you hear them directly from a native conversation. Okay, that was it. I hope that you liked this dialogue and conversation, found it easy. Already you know some important keywords and vocabulary. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and also have a look at the description box below, and in the comments section you will find my Egyptian Arabic 101 link, a course link in the first comment and also in the description box. And also in the description box you will find many important resources and services that I offer that can help you accelerate your knowledge in spoken Egyptian. Thanks a lot for watching this episode, and waiting for you in future episodes. Bye bye.